Hello. Well, oh, had a bad start to the day. The screen capture wouldn't work, and I was like gnashing back and forth with AI to see anything, and just couldn't figure anything out. But I rebooted, and now it works. So great. So over the weekend, we got the. Ha, have we seen this on stream? You got the bot player. Was it released on Friday or was it released on like last Friday? Let's see. 5 man. 3 days ago. So we actually haven't seen this on stream yet. Check this out. It's old news to me, but you can just watch replays online. Wow. 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 So this, you can't tell on the stream, or maybe you can. I think I'm streaming at 120 frames per second. This is running at 240 frames per second. So it looks very smooth. It's so much better than a video. Because like, all the information is there. Yeah. So, what is the stream title? Map Combobulator. Well, um, itzaname jumped in to the development, and he put together a so-called map combobulator. This needs the map files, right? It needs the textures and meshes and stuff. It has to display the graphics, and the Roblox file for the map is not conducive to doing that because it doesn't include any textures or meshes. So what the map combobulator does is it downloads all the meshes and textures, and it actually converts it to the strafesnet format, the exact same file format that the strafe client uses to play maps. Because I have all the textures and meshes embedded in that format. But you can see that some things have missing textures here, and I want to like take a look at that this week. But the map combobulator isn't quite working with all the textures yet. So it's able to download the textures, it's able to download the meshes, it's able to download the map files, it's able to build the map files into a sniff'em file for strafenet file map, something like that. Sniff'em. I named it because it's funny, not because it makes sense. So it doesn't get the textures and meshes. It tries to read them from the disk, and I'm gonna try and fix that. I was extensively dreaming about this code. Last night. All right. I will be his fool. Okay, so basically the idea here is, and that's it. But there's a little bit more that has to. I probably have to do a lot of code stuff. So I'm gonna make a folder here. Scoogs me. Let's see. Let's do some stuff. Yeah. Uh. Well, the first refactor is. I can probably just do it on the master branch, to be honest. Okay, so we appear to have forgotten the create features. Oh, did I never feature it? Map tool. Hey. Oh, I guess not. Bin. Okay. Well, I guess not then. Indeed, sir. So, mod. That should be fine. Move map tool. Move two folders. All right, that's good. What's good? Oh my god, bro. Software. Really? It crashes when you open a chat. Jeez, Telegram. Not doing so hot. Okay, I moved it. Yeah. Next is adding a CLI file. So then I go here. Yeah, and that should do it. And we can add that to this scoob right here as well. Why is that scroll down? And then we literally move all the crap at the bottom here and remove all of the feature flags, and we're GG. Bow. Bow, bow. Done. Oh. Okay. So probably we have some, yeah, there we go. So obviously, okay, mod. Oh. Okay, VMT error. That's probably crate in it. What's going on here? Whatever. I guess this is super. Real. Cow. Cow. Load texture will be from there as well. And that's GG. Convert texture error, convert to DDS. Baba boy. Convert to Sniffy. TO is first. Hello. I am doing the things. What's up with this? Oh, where? Quit it. Where's the command thingy? Help. This is CLI. Oh, well there it is. Okay. Who are you? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, man. Yeah, that goes together. Oh, Schnapple. We need both of these. Unlucky. Okay, and then same for this Dungus. And oh, I have to actually do it. That's right. Give me that. Yeah. Yeah. Drrr. Okay. Okay, what do you need? Roblox asset ID. Help. There it is. Yeah, man. Back off the mall. Well, we're using back off mall. Convert texture error. Okay. Convert texture error. Get do. Who are you? Back off mall. Back off mall. Hello. Very exciting things happened over the weekend. Look at this. Boom. in a web browser. So you can just go to the website and search up, hold on, let me think of a map that looks good. Colorize. And click on the world record. Yeah. No Roblox needed. That's awesome. Yeah, you bet. It's using web GPU. I'm gonna have to work on WebGL support. How our texture's handled. So all of the maps are pre-processed ahead of time. And so I'm just using the Strafe Client map format and using the Strafe Client graphics, but not using any physics. It doesn't have any physics loaded or any other game engine stuff. There's no windowing system. There's no input detection session stuff. It's just the bot file decoder, a simple playback system, the graphics, and I guess the map decoder as well, and then a small wrapper that makes a JavaScript library, and it's open source. Where is it? Wow, all this stuff has gotten worked on since this. So this is it. There is a caveat. It's not fully open source. The graphics is actually copyright me. I'm thinking about open sourcing that too. I may do that because it's not very complicated. And like, I don't know, rendering is not my strong suit. It's not like my secret sauce. It's more of a fun thing. The secret sauce is like the physics engine, right? Partially source available. Everything in this repository is directly related to the bot playback, and it is all open source. I actually have a native player as well, so you can open bot files and map files on the desktop. It doesn't have a UI, but yeah. So the entire JavaScript API is in this file. Everything in this file defines what JavaScript can see. So we can ignore this. Nobody cares. Why don't we actually look at the JavaScript itself? It's over here. Help. Can't we have an ecosystem to do stuff like that? I've been working, you know? All right, so this is just like playback controls, like seek forward, seek back. Let's just delete this so that it's easier to see the rest of the code. All right, so import from the JavaScript module. So I have to build the module. All the instructions for how to do that are on the front page here. How to build the WASM module, how to serve the web demo. So easy. So there's an init function. Okay. It reads the bot file. It reads the map file. Okay, canvas. Set up graphics. That does a lot. And then bot, it reads, decodes the entire bot file. Map decodes the entire map file. And then we have this playback head for reading this bot. Let me set the map. And there's a little HUD with the timer and the total run duration. And of course, you have to format the text like 0001 seconds, milliseconds, whatnot. And then here's the rendering. So you just advance the time in the playback and then render. Graphics.render. That's my favorite part of this is you just call up graphics.render. Yeah, that's it. Playback, advanced time, graphics, render. Like you load the stuff, set the map, render it. And then on the inside, anything annotated with this WASM bindgen is available to the JavaScript API. So the setup graphics function, graphics.render, it's very simple in here as well. But if we dig a little bit deeper, it's doing some stuff. Graphics.render, if we dig a little bit deeper, okay. Yeah, this is, it's using the same rendering algorithm as the Strafe client. And that algorithm is draw everything. That's it. It doesn't do anything special. All right, so I was in the middle of rewriting the map tool here. Refactoring, I guess. Yeah, okay. That does the CLI. So now, oh, do we need the oh no, it's up there. Okay, we good. Okay. Okay. Map tool, put CLI code into modules. That's GG. It's minus code. That's a surprise. How is it minus code? Oh, it's because of all these lines gone. Cool. I think that's good. Where? Still kind of stuck on the node editor. Are you still on node editor in Roblox with the Roblox UI system? I just like stopped investing in the Roblox ecosystem and started investing in my ecosystem. I was like, I'm pretty done with putting time into my personal projects on Roblox. It just doesn't feel like my project. It feels like something that Roblox controls, and I'm just totally not into it. Oops. Boy. Like, I'll continue to maintain the game, and this brand new feature is clearly part of the Roblox game, or like made for the Roblox game. It's not like the Roblox game is going away. It's that I can't really achieve my dreams on Roblox. It's limiting me. So I'm trying to build out the game from scratch again outside of Roblox. And it won't replace the Roblox game. It will just be another P-Hop game. But that's going to take a very long time. Like 3 years, hopefully. I said 5 years 2 years ago, so surely. Okay, so I wanted to do that. Next. Okay, so now I can actually do the refactor that I wanted to do, which is to implement these loaders within the map tool. So let's see where this is referenced. Indeed. Strafe project, Roblox loader source. Oh. 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 What is that? What is that? Oh, is that goddamn textures? Oh. H. Oh. Oh. Loader resource. M. Meshes. M. Oh. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to... Okay. So the loader... Ooh. The loader trait puts the stuff into the thing. So it's a thing load. High income. Make Steam games. Knowledge I'm currently gaining. Can't fault you for that. Make a multiplayer game from scratch of my own. Multiplayer. What are you going to do? Like rollback networking or just shout at each other networking? Doody. Do I have this on all of them? Oh, I do. What? Render E. So there's render config loader. There's mesh loader. Where's the texture man? Huh? Okay, let's look at the this guy again. Loader, texture loader. Oh, that's here. Loader, texture loader, mesh loader. So, honestly, this doesn't look that hard. Legitimately, I should be able to like move this function and this into the So where is it used? Right. Okay, it's actually only used in that function right here. We found it. References a texture loader. One spot. Just in the toSniff function. This is a condensed overview of the map conversion process. Who calls this function? Hey, yo. Mm. 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 Um. Oh, hold on. Oh, is that where the generic should go? Rollback. I think I could pull it off. It's well documented, and it makes sense. Uh, it was really hard to do in Lua, though, and I didn't even do it right. It's still buggy. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Ah. Ah. Okay. I think I understand what I need to do here. Oh crap. Hmm. So this function. Oh. Okay. Right. I could totally just pass these externally. Be like, here's the dingus, here's the dongus, here's the chingus, here's the chongus. 1, 2, 3, 4. And is this the one that implements the loader? Mm. Stop paying attention. What did you say? Uh, let's see. I think I was rambling about, oh, it's really hard. I didn't actually do it. Lua. I was like hinting that Rust would probably be nicer than Lua to implement rollback networking in that irritating, insufferable way that I always do. So the main issue is right here. The Mr. Map Combobulator is trying to read from disk because this is hard coded here. So what I want is to have trait bounds to say, yes, you need something that loads a texture, and then it'll just use it. And I think that actually the interface is entirely there. And all I need to do is move the like new outside and move the definitions outside, and then you can define your own, and everything is great. What the heck, multi buffers? What? What is a multi buffer? It's a miracle that Lua on Roblox is this fast. Miracle, more like engineering marvel. Mm. Oh. I think this is gonna work. Oh my god, what is that? What are you doing? Oh my god, bro. Hmm. Mm. Okay, so something wacky about this is the lifetimes are period the lifetimes. So right around this part, there's some lifetimes on the traits that could make problem. I guess if it's a problem, the compiler will just yell at me and I can just ignore it. Um, okay, so this is deferred loader. This is deferred loader. So these, okay, these are juiced, and then these are caboosed. We need to, these are the custom specified ones. And then we don't need to pass these in. We're GG on that. Okay, I understand. Okay, so I probably want what, like TM, and then say like, hey man, this is T mesh first. Right, we have to bump the meshes first because the meshes can request more textures than just the map. So the map goes like, I need these meshes and these textures. And then you're like, okay. And then the meshes go, I need these more textures. And you go, okay. And then you load the textures. So you have to load the meshes first because they might ask for more textures. And that's why it's very specific. Okay. So then, okay, we're MT. MT. Mesh loader is an M, and texture loader Lua loader is a T. And then we got a mutt, and then where, yes, M is a this basically plus A. It's this plus A. Hello, who's A? What do you care? What? A. Resource equals M. M clone. M has loader. So then, indeed. Okay, so here's the go. Okay, so we need this. Hey, and then index is mesh index. Yeah. Yeah. So loader high. A. Mesh and texture lifetime separate, I'd say. Oh wait. mesh. Help. What is H? O equals, okay, boom. Yes. Mesh. Loader, it's not real yet. Yeah. Uh, okay, we got that trait. I got that trait on me. I got that trait. I got that crate. Help. There's these two things. Mesh with size, mesh index. I guess this one goes first. Private. Help. Gully. Gobble gobble. Crate loader. Okay, buddy. Wait, is it here? Am I stupid? Huh? Oh, this isn't the loader. I am stupid. That's there in the loader. So that's the index it has to use. Yeah, okay. And then it likes that code. Indeed. Wow, this is actually gonna work, I think, without even editing the deferred loader. I actually got the API right, but the implementation wrong. Or incomplete, I guess. Because it did work. No way. Okay, so that is a bit I could make this a trait. Why don't I not do that? Okay, why don't I write the other trait bound? So mesh texture. Wow. Wow. So then meal chum, the texture loader up here. The index is a straight string. Just string. Okay. So help index texture. No. It's texture string. Wow. And then texture is the texture. Oh. Yay. Private. Who said that? Loader. Texture. Deferred loader. Texture. Okay. 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 Texture. Okay. T. Use strafe man. Texture. Okay, that didn't work out. Texture. Yeah. And then that changes the interface. This is gonna work. I'm excited. Coffee in my throat is like phlegm. I'll be right back. I was so close. I remember when I was designing the interface, I was like, it can work like this, it can work like this, it can work like this, and then like a short circuit, and then I just kind of like red underlined it to the finish. Red underlined it as in like, um, what? Oh my god, it's not used. Oh. This red underlines. Give a pin, dude. I'm working. Okay. Loader mesh error. Load error. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so oh, I see. Hey, this is me. Okay. Loader. Load error. Who are you? Oh, it's the. Okay, I see. But then I didn't use it. Oh my god. Uh, aha. Ha ha ha. I guess I could actually just TM this, and that would work. MT, and like, whatever. It'll figure itself out. Ah, crap. Nah. Nah. Who is this? Okay. Ah. Okay, and then. Wee. Ah ha 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 ha. Ha ha. That's true. That's true. That's true. Um. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then. Ah ha ha ha. I guess I'll do it like this. We get a nice Uber function with an Uber signature. So then we're going to use the errors here. M error. T error. And then it doesn't work anymore. Oh. Oh. So this is a little nicety here. Okay, so I think this is problematic because the loader is taking on these references. Oh no, it's inside here. It dies here. So shouldn't that be fine then? Hmm. Azref. Indeed. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, I see. Wait. Do I need another dingus? But that's just the same thing. Um, um, so really the lifetime output here needs indeed. Okay, so I think that's just a little bungance. Yeah, it's a bungance. I can just do it. Okay. No. Just like why? Just don't. It's a reference to weak dom. Um A where uh A implements the lifetime texture. Oh, A is here. Why don't we name this Dom? Don't be liking it. Dom also must outlive Mesh. Shock. Okay. So now our goobs here and here. Let's do as ref. And I need to copy all of the Scooby Dooby bounds here. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. Well, good luck to all involved. We need M and T, but they do not need to be mut because they are passed in through E. Oh, oopus. Ah. Okay, so Dom is not real here. Oh, we can actually put this. Ooh, okay. As Dom. There you go. Yay! I think this is actually the exact same function signature. Okay. Okay, so now you can pass your custom mesh loader in to the thing that makes the thing. Yes. Uh. Uh. Mm. Mm. And then Most of this code b- blah, 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 belongs in the belongs in the map loader and not here. Although I believe this probably stays. Mesh size. Well, e, mm, mm, mm. Oh, oh, it can stay private. It builds it. No, convert. Well, Roblox loader convert. Oh my. Oh my. So the only job of this thing is to grab the data, right? This is a public function. Do I move this whole code out, or do I try to get just the file read out? Mm. Size, float, bits, mesh type. Yeah. So this is private to here. Right. So I could move the entire thing out. No, I can't, I think. Oh, maybe I can. So this says mesh index here. But that's not true. That's the thing it creates for itself, right? Oh. No. No. That's the thing it makes here. Okay, well that complicates things. Because this has private fields that are accessed from within the load impl. Can I have a... What if I just make another layer? Index. So the index is hashable so that it deduplicates. Oh, this sucks. Uh, hmm. I could make another loader layer. Um, Because really all I need is this to be the index and this to be the resource, the data to evacuate. Really, you could have one overall loader, couldn't you? Because it's literally just asset ID. It's asset ID. Like there's no distinction between meshes and whatnot. Or textures or anything. So that would make the interface different. Right. So this breaks everything. So this is just one file changed. So it's currently designed to distinguish between meshes, unions, and textures. But it doesn't need to be. You can have one big data ball. And one singular loader. So the trick is to populate the loader ahead of time so that when it requests the resource, it's always there. Because it should have been like the build process is two-stage where it downloads the assets and then builds the map. Why is the texture a string? Right, because it's the content string. That's right. Am I creating the asset ID there? Says it's a string. That's mesh. Texture loader. Index is string. Parse. I see. Question mark. Error. Texture error. Asset ID parse. Fancy. Yeah. So I could conceivably does that mean it's like indexed? And like if it's there's a different URL for the same texture. Hmm. I don't remember. This is a tricky problem. Yeah. Hmm. Mutt self. Haha. Hmm. Is mutt self gonna be a problem here? So like, if I change the idea so that everything is preloaded, then this goes to uh, immutable reference to self, and then you're able to supply the same loader internally to all of the loaders. Ah, crazy. Load mutt. Let me look at the overall structure again. So convert to sniff. You get the model. Right. So unique assets. And then that kind of has nothing to do with. So download assets. So it's populating files. So how does it do it? Get unique assets from file. So that decodes the file. And then rollbacks to sniff. Convert to sniff. Data evacuate. Read path. Read data. Okay, so it's two separate. This function is duplicated. It's confusing. Get unique assets from file. Oh god, I just mashed my fingers in my glasses. I want to work on this all day. I don't want to like stop working on it. So this decodes the first time, and this decodes the second time. And it doesn't need to. So I definitely want to make it decode once, because decoding sucks. Ooh, does it have like stupid internal stuff? Convert to sniff. Data. Model. Place from. Yeah. I guess I. What's this? Oh, this is inside the. Okay, map tool. Okay, well, I mean, that's kind of something else. um, yeah, so this should definitely, ooh. Ooh. Is that in here? Load dumb. Do I have like model from? Yeah, I do. Oh, is it private? Yeah. This is public though. Why is that private? Literally have load DOM function here. Wait. Oh. Place new? There's no reason to do that. What? Oh. It's this one. Hello? Oh. Wait, new? New? Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. What? Pub. Jeez, what? What? Okay. Sure. Whatever. Where was I? Wrong. Okay. This guy. Model. From. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so now, oh crap. Not real. Yeah, and then you sniff. No, 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 no. Map error. Huh? Why is it and then? I guess it's because we're not question marking. Okay, so this is like a poor man's question mark. Uh, uh, IO error other boy. Load DOM, really. Data. Who? Can I just... Debug. Okay. 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 What does this want? FT. What the hell is destruct? Error. Oh. I see. Yeah, okay, so it wants like this. Scoobert. Dupert. Okay, that's kind of silly. But that also that means we can like the thing. Indeed. So map tool. Accept weak DOM into convert to sniff. Probably I want to do that in this as well, right? Beep boop beep boop boop. Because step 1 on the CLI is where extract textures, right? Paths. Path. We can work on that later. It's less important. I'm just seeing that it's like decoding the file twice and that has this duplicate code everywhere. Yeah, it should definitely not be reading the file. I should be able to actually remove the file decode from the Roblox loader. I'm thinking. Arr. Gosh. Now what? So why don't I try rebase this? Okay, so load error went like that. Gobbly. So this was just above it, and that messed it up. So we want this crap, but without this crap. right? And that's GG. Uh. So the idea was to put the loaders on the outside. I'm not a fan of public fields. So I think it should pass the string out. So this is like mesh index, mesh type. Good God. That's right. Hilarious. Oh my god. So the Roblox loader does actually need to be able to read these. That's... Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. So it doesn't... It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Okay. I think this might be bad. Too much is happening in here. How does it deal with the index? Loader, loader, loader. H. Index use H. Okay, so it's like... I don't understand. Hash map. Acquire ID H. So that's like deduplicate by the H. Yeah, that should be a parsed asset ID and optionally the original string if it failed to parse. And not whatever it is right now. Because that would deduplicate by the asset ID. So is this because it has to load the meshes at once? It has to like... Oh, I'm in a deferred loader. Mesh index. Content is a string. Oh. It's yeah, I think it should be parsed. Does that mean an ID update? Um Meh. It can be wrapped. Yeah, this should not be public. Should be like get. It doesn't matter because you can like make it. It doesn't matter. Okay. Uh, hell is that? Yeah. So this should be optional. Asset ID. Um, that's kind of a big change though. I just want... So it's deduplicated by all of these things at once. Mm-hmm. The point of having mesh type, oh goodness, is that it's hashable, so you can deduplicate it. So all of the file meshes will use the same thing. But the thing is, like, the unions get resized and it's like stupid. So I have to do this. Right, floating point. Mm. It would just be a simpler interface. Right. I wanted to get rid of the mutt. Why don't I try that? Um, a loader. Um, has all assets ready to fetch by index. Should I just rename it to something else? Asset index. Asset store. That breaks everything. Or not. Does it break the BSP one? I guess not. I guess it's just find or find. Oof. How about here? Indeed. So it has to mutt the secondary one. Cause it's like as it loads this, it's finding new textures. Okay, so I wasn't going to do. I decided not to. Um, have one loader. I think I'm gonna have one for unions, one for meshes, one for textures. Even though they could use one. It can. I can iterate later. I can iterate later. No. Should be able to just do that. To some extent. Jeez. God, I just hate how he says that. Just don't want to hear it. Source? No problem? Wait, what? Buh. Really? Why is the source loader fine? No. This is gonna take so long. Interesting. This is the setting inside the mesh loader. Signature. It's the same signature, except for this. Except this is mutt. So that code would go really doesn't like that. 0 generic arguments. Interesting. It would appear. Did I question mark it here? I did not. Scoobert doobert. Let me steal it from here. Oh god, it's down here. T. What? T. U. Okay. What's up? Associative type. Yeah, okay. Okay. What does this use? Like this. I have no idea. I think it's just like this. Is that correct? I have no idea. Stir. Mesh should be mesh stir, right? Okay. Cow. Okay. Ah. Oh, did I do the wrong one? Oops. Okay. So that's the type signature. What? There's errors gone. Crazy. Okay. So apparently this one is a little bit easier. Oh. Oh. This is used in here, and nowhere else. Okay. So then basically everything I deleted from here and here goes here. Okay, so then it just and then that it should have been that easy. So I wrote this source one after. So the source one is done. This now loads externally. Damn. Okay, so that was way easier. Move. So yeah, this is like make it work for source files. Rar. Remove. Yeah, so BSP loader really. Remove hard coded file reads. It's part of the map tool, and it's that easy. I think I'll separate this into BSP and Roblox. Um, okay, so then this bungus goes down, and that's done. Dude, I can't believe that file just was fine. And, oh, help. Ooh. Okay. Okay. It'll need a little bit more. CLI. We'll see. I might need to separate that. Okay, I'm gonna bump it. Come on, bruh. What do you mean? It's remote counterpart? Is there already a remote refactor loader? Huh? Oh, there is. Looks like that is merged though. And there's also a branch up here. Is this the same? No. What? Okay, that's nearly the same. I don't know. No. Okay, clearly this is good though, so I can just replace this branch. Refactor loader again. All right, so then nah. Hello? Nah. Crate. Oh, super. Huh? Hell's going on? Oh. Wait. What? There was no common. That's crazy. Okay. What is that? Crate? Um. Okay. Private. A little bit lost. Self. Okay, easy. Ooh. Uh. Ooh. Oh. I see. So. That sucks. I mean. I mean, it's fine. Well, this is. What is H here? Nobody knows. Cool. Cowster. Okay. Um. Well, I mean, what can you do? Um. Cowster. Is that texture? Okay, that sound is outside. Cow texture. And then yeah. Hmm. I could say that. But I'm not even sure this is the same lifetime. Oh, it's just wrong now. Okay, I think that makes sense. Just string from the DOM. So then we go like this. And then we go like... Uh-oh. Oh. Are you allowed to do this? No. Let's give it a shot. Into. I see. Uh-oh. Wait. It doesn't work. Damn. So this needs this. Hold on, can I move it out? Mesh loader new, texture loader. Crap. So there's an ownership issue here where this thing wants a mutable reference to this, which is exclusive. And then this function wants to take ownership of this object. So that means that I cannot construct it outside this function. Otherwise the lifetimes don't work. This is all public though, right? So all I really do is move this whole code outside. And then it works. Self. So then here, instead of calling toSniff, I just need to have all the code. Where's that damn function? Oh my. Okay, so then that needs... Okay, where's the goddamn convert function? Create BSP, BSP. Pub function convert. So then I would do pub mod BSP. Okay. Whatever. Hmm. Oh my. Who says mesh? This says mesh. Okay, like it's not that big a deal. Hmm. Oh, it's literally this. Okay. Should... Oh, maybe not. True. Oh. So this is mutt. And this is BSP. Okay. Failure mode. Ugh. Close, close, close. Okay, so I had moved this code out of here because it was common, but actually it's quite tangled, so it has to be here. Do we care? BSP load. I mean, we could unbungus the errors here. Like, do we even need this? Is this used anywhere? No. Well, that's good. So then... Okay. Any other? Anyone else? Oh, this. Get out of here. Ooh. Cannot borrow. Okay, this is probably me saying Dom or something. Oh. There we go. Oh. Wait, render config deferred loader. That's this guy. Do it. Okay, my God. Did that require slightly? Okay, you. Not terrible. It's nice to get rid of that error. And I don't need all this crap. That's nice as well. I do want to get rid of this. Not sure how though. Loader mesh. I could re-export it. Resource convert mesh. It's just lame. To have it for a singular. Why don't I do it like this? So I'll go get rid of that, and then we'll add it here. What do you... Oh, true. Okay. Yeah, it's just doing this. Nice. Okay. And that works, right? Map tool, map tool. So I don't need that open anymore. Did I modify a deferred loader? I did not. It's pretty neat. That takes so long to compile, but it's because oh, it's actually just crazy. Okay. Um. That's interesting that the um, lifetimes are so crazy that it has to be there. I'm glad it worked out though. Okay, so now we're doing the same thing for this guy. Oy. It's harder though. So I found that I actually don't need some of these texture lock in. So that gets rid of this and self as ref and this. Aye. Loader. Real. Okay. So mesh with size. That should like go here, shouldn't it? Because that's a freaking mesh, my good guy. It's something here. Map tool mod 2 sniff. Is there two sniff? Okay, so our dingus goes here. Indeed. Some okay. We'll deal with that later. So where's the mesh guy? It's in loader here. Oh, Bubby. So let's try to do this right. So mesh blah blah mesh blah blah goes in mesh. Error. Who is error? Error is you. So I think this stuff goes like here. Okay. Okay. There it is, folks. And then now this is mesh. But then it's not allowed. Ref. Indeed. Let me say mesh with size. And then, clone, see? Mesh with size dot mesh zoop clone. Mesh with size dot size. So I'll make some little Uber functions. Mesh. Yeah. Size. Shocker. Const. That's GG. Okay. What's this? Something? Okay. Fixing errors. True. Indeed. Okay. Union, mesh with size. Okay, so this is constructing it. Zabazoo. So, does that mean, okay, so it makes it here. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So new. Okay. Okay. Tarnation. Okay. Okay. So we need probably mesh convert and union convert up in the biz. Why? Convert? Is it for real? Oh no, this is the whole shebang. Okay. What is that? Oh goodness. Okay. Unlucky. We go, gamer. Way to go, gamer. Common once again. I believe I exported that. Data. For real, for real. Okay, apparently that's not real. We can fix it later. Mesh union error. Mesh index. Scabbity dabbity. Use mesh za. Okay. Okay. Am I zoinking this? Mesh type. Oh. I guess I can go like into inner and that would work. Wait, is this shouldn't be public, right? Oh, but it has to be. Pain. Okay, well, there's no other way, so glam. Who said that? So, lol. I believe I can just into. Haha, lol. Nice. That's GG. Okay. Lol. Okay. Haha. And then, REX loader. Convert that sucker to death. And then this is a reference. And then this is the deferred loader. LMNOPQR. Load error is not real. True, that's right. We have goober error and duper error now. Mesh texture. The surely it's mesh error, right? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's loader mesh error, isn't it? Loader. Yeah. Yeah. And then now I have to go like this. Scoob doob. Convert error. Burp, 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 burp. Mesh loader. Hello. So where's the mesh loader? It was convenient to or it was a good idea to do the other one first. Okay, who deleted everything? Why did you do that? Okay, so yeah, just nab it. Dag nab it. The boom. Okay. Who are you? Hello? Dom. Help? Do we have to do that? Uh, I don't actually know. They're like separate sections, but I don't know how to label them at the moment here. So this is the conversion to sniff. Wait. Oh. Oh. IZ. Yeah, no, that was wrong. Okay. Run scripts. And then now this is what I do here as ref. There we go! There we go! Okay, so that's it. Minus code. We get that minus on that code. Boy, if you don't minus that code, I'm about to slap you. Wow. Wow. Okay. It is mayhaps not the prettiest thing. And we'll need a separate loader implementation in the other GUI, but okay. Okay. R. I think I'll need some more stuff, but that's okay. Hey, why don't I add a little feature? I believe this is done. It builds. I am going to add a feature to remove features. Indeed. So, how do you optional workspace? Like this, I think. Optional equals true. Why is... Oh, because that's the order it goes. Okay, and then all this crap. Version equals to this. Optional equals true. And then sadly more things are optional. Okay. Okay. So we've got uh like that. And then we go and all of these crazy features go in here. And these are all depth. And then mew mew mew. Go here. Surely I know what I'm doing. Why don't I group them together nicely? So this is like the GGs, and then this is sniff. Top or bottom? I mean, that's nice as like a header. There we go. Isn't that nice? So then all I need to do here now is say CFG. Why is this feature disabled? This should probably be at the top. Is it broken? Yeah, okay. Ooh, very broken. Yeah. Ooh. What are you trolling about? No. Oh, did I forget to do the do? I see. Hi. Yeah, okay. Probably this should be numero uno. Oh, my love. Okay, and then that's disabled. And it works. And then that's disabled. And it goes like, huh? That's it? I expected more errors. And then that's disabled. And it goes like this. Oh, that was real? Why is this real? Game? Tokyo Sync. Huh? Huh? Oh, is it trolling me? Private. Um, what? Huh? Huh? What? 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 Why did it build before and now it does not? Okay, one of the. What? 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 How did it build before and now it does not? Did it like change? What? Huh? 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 Why was it okay before? Like if you add Roblox and then you, oh, one of the goobs does it, doesn't it? But which goob is it? No, I don't have goddamn Tokyo. What the heller? Okay, somebody is asking for Tokyo Sync in the Roblox dependencies, and it ain't me. I ain't doing like that. How? What? No, no, none of these folks would be so rude. Okay, it's not really very important. Um, whatever. Okay, so now you can disable source support in this little library. Actually, no, that should be fine. Help. Indeed, lib Okay. Okay, so now I try to publish, and it's not going to work. So cargo publish. Is it going to know what to do? Already exists. That's very true. So true. True, true, true. Is it compatible? Uh, yes. Oh. Okay, this is move the oo to the ah. And then since then, source mod CLI code. Okay, since then, Roblox mod. So this is different. This is different. So it's already up to 1.0. So every breaking change is a major version. Buh. I think. Right? You can't do a breaking change. Right? Semver. Incompatible API changes. When you add functionality in a backward compatible manner, when you make backward compatible bug fixes. Add functionality. I didn't actually know that. All right, well, version 3. We're going to go up to version 17. Woo! Uh, uh, indeed. So this is going to complain because the doesn't the I think. If it doesn't complain, that's a bug in Rust, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Yay. Okay. So haha, yes. So yes. Help. So it's no. So this is 9. This is 5. Rah, 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 rah. 9, 5. Um. Uh. Oh. Okay. What? What are you smoking at? Go. 5. Okay. Okay. So then I can actually CD and then publish the package strafesnet BSP loader. Okay. And then RBX. And then map tool. And then the Bobulator. What the Bobulator doing? Okay, and then map tool. Uh-oh. Is this published as like straight up map tool? Oh. Huh? So there's publish lib. Is there publish lib? Package. Oh, it's gonna do both, isn't it? Okay. Unlucky. So feels bad, man. Damn. Okay, so that's good. Maybe I fixed it. But it requires fairly massive changes in the Bobulator. In the Bob. Oh, did I do that? Whatever. Okay. So we ain't in this. We're in the Bob. All right. The map tool. We need V3. Yeah. Show me the red inner lines, please. Yay. Okay, this is not real. Dumb. So up. Uh-oh. Damn. Damn. I need a new version. Damn. Okay, I gotta undo it. Okay, this is public. Wait. Oh, this is public as well. Oh my god, no new version needed. What the heller? Oh. Oh. Huh? Huh? F returns a result. Oh. What's the other guy's chain or something? Oh, map, isn't it? There you go. Yeah. Ah, okay. Jeez. I may need another go at this. Uh, but so far so good. Hee hee. So get unique assets. So we get those the bytes. Uh, load DOM error. Indeed. Uh, situation. Are we? No, we're not. Okay. Wait, why is it into? Oh, god damn it. Okay, I do need a new goob. Um, oh, I'm stupid. unlucky. Help. Okay. I forget. Why does it need this? Oh, it's doing... Right, it mutates it. Okay. So now it'll only decode it once, but I have to publish a new scoob on the doob. Yeah, I should probably use the path. Hello? There it is. So now we've disabled the non-Roblox features. I think that's it. Failed to load workspace. Oh, it's ... Failed to load workspace. So, ... Sure, okay, I'll just try it. Really? It doesn't like that. What? You can't just do that? New lines. What? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I see. Scoobert. Okay, well that's nice. Okay, well that's... Is that done? No. No. We need... Wait. So... What's going on here? We're not done here. Convert to sniff. Ah, this is calling the wrong function. So we need to make our own little version of this function. What happened here? Is it trolling me? Is this a troll? I wish I could trust the Rust analyzer. It's trolling me. Okay. Pretend it doesn't exist. Pretend it doesn't exist. I made no such mistake. What package? Okay. R. So now, instead of calling bup, 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 bup right there, we have to make our own function called bup, 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 bup. So it's going to look exactly like this, but suck. Why don't we make it a new file? Because it's going to suck. Loader. Actually, hold on. How much context do we have here? Self processor S3 cache. Okay, so yeah, okay. There's a little bit of magic. R. Okay. Does this no self process model S3 cache get DDS key zone? Wait a second. Loader? I don't know. It's got to be. This is what's up. And then we have to define our own stuff. Element of P. This is kind of a dumb name. Where's my errors? Why is it trolling me again? Okay, I'm just gonna reload it. Get rid of this freaking path. Oh, bad luck. Right, it doesn't exist. See? Um, surely that's enough, right? Um, oh, what? Oh, this is the troll, right? Wait, wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is CLI. Oh, I must mess that one up. Uh-oh. I okay. Real. I already heard this song. How did I mess this up this bad? Um, map tool. Ah. Let's see. Feature matrix. Thought it might. Indeed. BSP finder. The actual convert. Indeed. Bytes. So I thought this was used like everywhere here. BSP finder. Yeah. Did I lose it? I did, didn't I? No, it's down here. So BSP finder. Oh. Oh, BSP finder's chilling. We can actually put that in the mod. Okay. What's up? Right. And then now I need to re-enable that. And we got all the errors. BSP finder. Good. Okay. Not real. Indeed. I literally double selected. Good? Not quite. Cursor. Just like the other one. LMPHIJ. Okay, and then probably get some of these here as well. Cool. Okay, map tool. Convert functions. Move convert functions to CLI. Big changes. Indeed. Let's run a build. Okay. And no toml changes. Okay. Yeah, so that function doesn't actually exist. Love you, dancer. Ready? I still have a bit of work to do here to get the service operational. But like 4 out of 5 jobs are done. I think it should be less than an hour. So this. Okay, let's try that. Nice. Okay, and then if I, oh yeah, that's it's not gonna work. Okay, I'll have to do the whole thing. Yeah, so this should give me the red underlines now. And it does not. Can I like see things in my editor? That's what I would like. Unresolved module. Yeah, I want to see that, but in here. Jeez, finally. Okay. Map tool. We get a new lock file. Okay, I believe that's a troll. That's not correct. Did I actually publish that? There's no way. Literally, it's done. This is trolling me. Okay. Okay, how about LSP restart? Nope. Cargo clean. I want to actually have an editor. Okay, so I need these. I hate this thing so much. How did it just know? Uh-oh. Oh, my old version. Oops. Oh, I have red underlines. Finally. Okay, it's trolling me once again, but for a different reason. Okay, so this is real. This is real. This is not real. Uh, uh, deferred loader. Load failure mode. Are we serious here? Oh, really? Hmm. Okay, we go. Oh, now it's trolling me the old way. Okay, so loader is not real. We need to define our own freaking loader. Right. Um. Uh. Yeah. So we gotta stuff all of this into a bag. God, I wish I had an editor. Struct. Mesh loader. Meshes. Hash map. Uh. Does that work? I have no idea. It at least knows what to grab it from. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call a bunch of functions. Dude, can you please stop trolling me? It rebuilt its trolls from scratch. And the Rust compiler knows what's up, but this thing is just super cached. How does it know what that is? Like, if I build this now, it's gonna troll me because of that, right? Oh, I guess it just doesn't know because this is not real. Alright, if I just remove this, does it stop trolling me? Wait, what? Map tool. What? 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 Is it cached? Rest clear. Package cache. This sucks. Okay. I don't want auto clean. I want remove a specific package. Oh yeah, fuck it. We'll just clean it all. Fuck off. Sorry for swearing. Just pisses me off. All right, work correctly. Work. Is it still gonna troll me? God. What can I do? It's not right. I'm like so distracted by this thing and not having an IDE that can't work. All right, does it work? No, or is it still trying to use the wrong version? All right, so mesh loader is not real. We have to invent it here. Oh jeez. I don't know what the index is gonna be. Mesh with size. Right. So basically I'm going to be copying this. Asset ID. Should I put it here? Maybe. I think so. No. Yeah, so new, it's gonna need some self on it. Convert to sniff. I don't know. Maybe I'll put this off. I did decent. Fuck. Should just get a straight minus here. That's nice. That's a big minus. These are the loader thing. Yeah, that's what I want. Any other stuff? Okay. There we go. So this is not real. Right. So Uh, yeah, I should be able to do this without S3. ID, okay. Uh, data, something like that. And then meshes, unions. Yeah. Jeez. And then, yeah. All right, so that's a skeleton of what to do. Uh, Okay. So that was a good good day. I actually figured out everything as far as I know. It's time to switch gears and work on financial gain instead of fun things. And that is off stream. I will continue working on this tomorrow if no one else picks it up. Or if someone does pick it up, I'm so excited to work on the bot player and like I have like 10 things I can do written down. I'm probably gonna work on this for like a month. It's exciting, new, exciting, and fun. So yeah, I had fun. I work extending code, working together, collaborating. This is great. I made something exciting. People, it resonated with the group of programmers. Okay, good. More tomorrow. Goodbye.